this video, I'm going to show you the best, easiest, and fastest way to make money online for broke beginners in 2020. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Google and YouTube to make some money, right? So first and foremost, what we're going to want to do is, before we get into the Google and the YouTube, we're going to be leveraging a website called Clickbank. Now, what is Clickbank? Clickbank is basically an affiliate platform where you can go ahead and find other people's products to promote, and basically they're going to go ahead and give you a link to a website that they created that has some sort of promotional material that is going to do all the selling for you, right? So what does this mean, right? Basically, let's just say somebody created a course teaching you how to do affiliate marketing, how to do e-commerce, how to do Amazon FBA, right? Basically how to make money online. That's a course, right? Let's say it's a $1,000 course. One example that or tool that they would use to actually promote that would be like a webinar, right? So basically within that webinar, what we're going to be doing is promoting that webinar, and at the end of the webinar, they're going to be selling a product, and let's just say it's a $1,000 product, and they're willing to pay a 50% commission. Now what that means is every sale you generate, you can generate up to $500 commission, right? So just to show you guys, what we're going to do is the affiliate marketplace. Now you guys can do whatever platform, or excuse me, whatever niche you guys decide. I'm going to go ahead and recommend that you guys do e-business and e-marketing, and specifically for this method that I'm about to teach. Now basically I'm teaching you guys how to market these products for free, but the fastest way to make money is by getting a large sale, and then with that large sale, what you're going to be able to do, and I'm sorry, I'm adjusting my phone, but with that large sale, what you're going to be able to do is actually reinvest that money back into paid advertising, right? So it's kind of like a feedback loop. Now let me show you guys what I mean. Now what we're going to do is, instead of going by popularity, we're going to go by, or actually let's just say like initial sale. Now you can do average sale, but basically, like for example, one that I've actually looked at the webinar to make sure it's a legitimate product and that it actually has a pretty good webinar is this one right here, like 1K a day fast track. So what I would do, right, is I would go here, open new link tab, and when I open that new link tab, this is a webinar, right? So this is the affiliate link. If I created an affiliate link, but basically if I create an affiliate link, I'm going to be sending people to this website. After they go to this website, they're going to register for the webinar. Once they register for the webinar, they're going to go ahead and get access to a free presentation. At the end of the free presentation, they're going to pick a $1,000 course, and I get paid, on average, they're paying out $447, right? So now that we know that, right, we have our affiliate link, right? We need to go ahead and the way you create your affiliate link is, first you have to create an account. You're going to go ahead and press promote. Once you press promote, it's going to go ahead and basically allow you to start marketing this product. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start actually promoting it. So how are we going to go and promote it? Now, what I would recommend, right, the fastest route is this one right here, right? So basically leveraging Google and YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and explain, right? So basically what you're going to do is you're going to type in these keywords, how to make money online. So these keywords are important because you want to go ahead and find things, money online, how to make money online, and then I'm also going to go ahead and type in the same thing. Now you guys don't have to do that. You want to go ahead and create content that is most congruent with the product you're selling. So if it's like an affiliate marketing product, you guys might want to go ahead and type in like what is affiliate marketing or something like that. But for this specific money online, for this specific example, I'm just going to go ahead and use this keyword, how to make money online. So here's one example, right? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and recommend, if you guys aren't an expert yet, or you guys haven't learned a skill set yet, the easiest type of videos to create that go viral are videos like this one right here. 10 websites that make money online for free in 2020, right? And then a blog post with this actual keyword, how to make money online, 40 easy ways to make money quickly. Now, I'm not going to do a video doing 40 different ways. You guys can, or you guys can even create a video like this, like 10 ways. So instead of 40 ways, so the whole goal, guys, is leveraging these titles to go ahead and get inspiration. So I would say 10 easy ways to make money quickly, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and read this blog, right? So actually, I'll just open it, and then you can even watch this video And the cool thing about it is, people who are searching to make money online, you're going to try to rank for that specific keyword. The way that you're going to go ahead and rank is a series of things that you're going to want to do. You're going to want to have the keyword in your actual title. So you're going to want to have make money online in your title, right? That's why this video is actually ranked for that keyword. So you're going to want to have it in your title. You're going to want to have it in your description, and you're going to want to have it in your tag. Now, if you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, basically when you guys actually create a YouTube video, you're going to want to do the tag, title, keyword, right? Now, a cool thing about this, right, is for those people who don't want to show your face, like Eric, you guys can simply go ahead, and if you guys notice my mic here, right, my mic here, and then you guys notice my screen here, you guys can literally do the same type of tutorial without showing your face. This is my smartphone, this is my mic, this is my laptop. I can use my mic, I can use my laptop, and let's just say I created a brand called Make Money On. This is a shitty brand name, but let's say I created a brand called Make Money Online Tutorials, right? And that was my name for my YouTube channel. I could literally just go ahead and maybe once a week or every couple of days create a video, like 7 legit ways to make money online or whatever, right? The best 4 ways to make money online. Guys, this takes no talent, right? At the end of the day, if other people are doing it and their content is ranked, obviously you guys can do something similar. So you don't have to be an expert to basically find different websites or different ways to make money online. You're just the middleman. You're the idea giver, right? So just to give you guys an example, right? Searching for this, I found an influencer is actually a bud of mine, but his name is Andy Heffel, right? So he has a whole bunch of different content, right? So around this like subject. So what I did is I just found his most successful pieces of content. And to give you guys an example, not that one. So he has data entry work from home, right? So he has 5 data entry jobs work from home 2019. So what I did, right, is model what other people are doing successfully. So just to show you guys in the next couple of days the type of videos that are going to be showing, right, I didn't copy his title, or excuse me, I did not copy his exact title. He says 5 data entry jobs work from home 2019. I said 5 super easy work from home jobs 2020, right? So he said it in 2019, I did 2020. He said 5 data entry jobs, I said 5 super easy work from home jobs 2020. Completely different, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to model his thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead and have bright red at the top, and instead of saying data entry and then work from home, my link is going to say super easy work from home, right? So all we're doing, guys, is we are modeling success. And then what you want to do, if I was to go to one of his videos, right, or I already have a whole bunch of them, so I don't know how I did that, but the way that you guys
don't have to be a tech YouTuber to get.
So the way that you're going to go to market your links here is, if you notice the first link in the description, it says click here, and then he has a link. I have no idea where that's going to, but if you were a smart cookie, you would start creating content like this. If you don't want to show your face, don't show your face. Literally just use screen record. And if you guys have a Mac, if you guys want to know what I use for screen record, I use QuickTime Player, right? If you don't have a Mac and you have like a Windows, you guys can use Screen-O-Matic. And then what you can do, and you guys don't have to have a fancy mic or anything like this, you guys can get started for very low cost. You just need a laptop and the freaking drive to actually create content, help people. And then after your content, after you're giving people value, you can say, if you want to know my #1 recommendation to make money online, click the first link in the description. So you're going to have a call to action to your link, your affiliate link. So imagine if I drive enough people, it only takes for me to have 1 viral video to drive a massive amount of traffic to this video, for people to register, and for me to get a couple sales. If I get a couple sales, let's just say I get 5 sales, that's over $2,000. What am I going to be able to do with that $2,000? I'm going to be able to reinvest that money back into paid traffic, so that way I could turn that $2,000 into $4,000, $4,000 into $8,000, $8,000 into $16,000, rinse and repeat, and eventually get to the income level to where you can walk away from your 9 to 5.